Hello guys! Today we'll begin our celebration for Women's History Month, which celebrates contributions women have made over the course of history in a variety of fields. Today we will learn about surrealist artist Leonora Carrington, born on April 6, 1917 in Clayton Green, United Kingdom. Leonora was a rebel. At the time when she was born and during her adolescence, girls of high society were expected to act a certain way. They were supposed to always be sitting, not playing, no talking, and most definitely not creating art. Her creativity and imagination, as well as her curiosity, led her to be one of the most legendary surrealist artists of her time. And today, we will create our own surrealist creation, taking inspirations by Leonora's magical creations, and you will create your own. Now, what is surrealism? Surrealism was an art movement that started in the 1920s, and a lot of these artists were thinking about drawing their dreams. Think about a dream. Sometimes dreams can be a little bit weird, abnormal, unique, or abstract. And sometimes they can be grotesque, or they can be a little bit like a nightmare. So whenever these artists were doing their artwork, they were thinking about dreams and about imagination. These artists had a lot of imagination, and Leonora Carrington had a lot of imagination and stories that she wanted to portray in her work. So today we are going to take her artwork and we are going to create our own artwork based on hers. So she had a lot of animals in her work, and what I want to do for you guys is to create a new sort of imaginative animal. So think about the animals that you love best. For me, I really liked cats, so I started with the head of the cat. And after I drew the cat head, then I was thinking I really liked the way that the lines on top of the antlers of different deer look like, so I took that as an inspiration. After I did that, I remember that we were talking a lot about dragons and magical creatures in our art class, so I wanted to have the body of a dragon snake. So then I did that for this part of my drawing. Then I was thinking about fish and how sometimes cats eat fish, so I wanted to make a fish tail just to be fun. Afterwards, I was thinking about leaving the catfish by itself, but then I thought about giving it some legs, and why not just be fun and give some duck legs to my cat? So I did that as well. And finally, since I always wanted to have a superpower of flying, I created some butterfly wings for the cat so that the cat could also fly. So now think about your own creation. What kind of animals do you want to put together? Notice that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 animals put together, but you don't have to have that number. If you want to have just 2 animals combined, you can do that as well. This is your very own work of art, so think about it and go ahead and create it. And that is all you have to do for today. We are just creating our animal today. Next time we will be thinking about the background and about different other elements that we could place on our work of art. I hope that you have a lot of fun creating your animal, and notice that today I did not draw my animal out because I want you guys to be more creative. I want to see how you guys draw. So show me your work of art, and as always, be kind and respectful to people from different cultures, and keep on celebrating Women's History Month. because boys and girls can become whoever they want to be when they grow up. Just like Leonora Carrington became an artist, you guys can also become artists or whatever other person you want to be. But whoever you are when you grow up, remember to grow up and be kind. See you soon, guys.